Hello Yatish, I am Kriti Mehta, team member of FindMyTest.com. We are glad that you joined us today. I would like to congratulate you for securing All India Rank 2 in Architecture and Planning examination. Would you mind introducing yourselves to our viewers?
Hello, Kriti. First of all, thanks a lot for your wishes and inviting me for the interview. Myself, Yatish Naman Asthana, and I secured All India Rank 2 in the GATE Architecture and Planning 2021 paper. That's all for my introduction.
Okay. So, would you like to please share your opinion on architecture and planning?
About architecture and planning, see, because I'm currently in fourth year, I joined in 2017. Um, then, like in India, we face a lot of questions like you must do engineering or go to medical. These are the two streams that are going along the river. But I somehow took a risk among my family members to join architecture. But throughout my journey, when I realized what we do, what architects do, what are the opportunities we get in after graduating and all, then I like it, and I must say कि as the world is changing, as our country is developing, then in future there is a lot needs of architects and planners, especially town planners. So it is very good field if one wants to go.
Okay. So, what is your GATE score and marks in GATE 2021, and how many times have you attempted GATE examination?
My sorry, I could not hear your next the
Okay,
second part of
no
your question.
issues. So, how many times have you attempted GATE examination?
Okay. My gate score is 902 and I secured 70.67 marks. And this was my first attempt for the examination.
Okay, then that's good. So, when did you decide that you want to attempt GATE exam as a serious career option, and when did you start preparing for the examination?
Actually, like this time when the advertisement came up, it said that this time fourth year students are also eligible to take the exam. So I
Yeah.
decided I'll give an attempt. I'll check how uh, how my preparation is there currently, on which level I am, so that I can get a good score when I finally give my examination when I graduate in 2022. So this was just an attempt to judge myself. And for the preparation, I started the preparation in mid of December after my last semester and some exams.
Okay. So, why did you choose GATE over all other career options such as CAD, private sector jobs, and government jobs?
Because I am truly interested in studying, in going for higher studies like the town planning and urban planning. So I wanted to secure a rank and get admitted for higher studies in one of the reputed institutions of our country.
Okay. So, what was the difficulty level of GATE 2021 architecture and planning examination?
If you ask me, I felt the paper to be not too difficult, but yes, some parts of the paper, like the multiple select questions and the few numerical ones, they seemed a bit difficult. But overall, I'll say the paper was not difficult.
Okay. So, did you take up any coaching for the examination? How did it help you in securing all India rank
No,
2?
no, no. I did not take any coaching. I was asked this time. I just wanted to judge myself, so I did not take any coaching.
Okay. So, which book or study material did you refer for the preparation of GATE 2021 examination? Would you please like to suggest few books which will help to crack the examination?
Actually, like see, there is a book by B.K. Dasar. Uh, that is basically a book which contains questions and their solutions, previous year questions and their solutions. So if one goes through the book, one will realize what type of questions are basically asked and what all one should focus on to the study. Apart from these, what I referred was a book by Ajay Kumar sir and Karthik Srivastava sir. That book is kind of comprehensive study material and numericals group chapter wise. So that helped me to clear out each topics. But the most the most important thing that I would like to say is no book is sufficient. So we must study by exploring each and every topic in detail over a lot of sources available on the internet. Internet helped me the most.
Oh. So, okay. So, in every examination, Yatish, there are some importance that there are some topics that are considered to be important. So, what are some important topics that should be focused while preparing for the GATE examination?
As in my opinion, one should focus on urban planning, urban design, and the building codes like National Building Code and URDPFI guidelines. And obviously, numericals are the scoring part of the paper because kind of we know what type of numericals we are required to solve in order to get good score in the paper. So it's easy. It's a bit easy to cover up the numericals, and the numericals basically from like the building services like illumination, acoustics, and some some other like HVAC numericals and all. And apart from these, I would suggest to study the contemporary architecture and history of architecture properly. uh, that's it. What I felt. See, if you ask me important topics, then I tried many times so that I figure out this topic is important, this is not important. But each time I failed. I found that all the topics are equally important and equally big. So I will suggest to focus on every topic.
Okay. So, what was your preparation as well as a revision strategy for the GATE examination?
Okay. Like first of all, one should go through the syllabus, understand it, and analyze it. After that, in my case, my online exam, online classes, and were going on, and I had a lot of assignments. So whatever the free time I got from them, I totally gave it to Gate. And for the weekends and whenever there was a holiday, I dedicated nearly 15 to 16 hours a day. In that, I went on exploring each topic in detail. Like, yes, some people say, "Can you please share your notes?" But the fact is, I tried making notes each time, but I thought ki that is a waste of time. In how much time I'll make notes? I'll study 2 or 3 topics. So I'll say, you focus on what is important and what is less important. I will not say ki what is not important. It can be less important. Like some are something are there in detail which we don't need to focus. So we can have take a shorthand on that. And first of all, we need to recognize what are my strength and what is my weakness. So I'll work out on my weakness and I'll leave my strengths for the last thing. So this was only my preparation strategy.
Okay. So, Yatish, in a competitive examination, time management strategy is very important. So, what was your time management strategy for attempting questions in examination?
In my case, in exam, what I did, I went on solving the paper in series only, how it was going. Like first, I attempted the aptitude section, and then the questions came one by one. I went on solving, and in the first attempt, in the first run, I did what questions I was truly confident of, and I thought what I can do correctly. And then I left some of the questions which I was like, I can do it, but it will take some time, or I have to think a bit much on that. So I left them, and in the second run, I came over them and I solved them. And the most important thing with time is that if I'm not able to solve a question, then I will have to control myself from being panic and losing my confidence. That is the most important thing in exams. That will save time also, because I have to not fight with a question in the exam. If See, I can fight the question in my preparation time, but on exam, if the question is winning, that's fine. I'm the loser for that. So this was only the time management strategy. Go on solving the paper one by one, and leave what you're not sure. Again, come back to that point. If you're sure enough, do it. If not, leave it.
Okay. So, how did this current, COVID pandemic affected your studies and routine?
Okay. See, because of COVID, my college went online. So yeah, though I had these a lot of online classes and assignments, but still I had much time left with me, and I was at home. I had no other activities outside my home to do. So I due to COVID pandemic only, I must not say that it is good. but I got a lot of time because of that only.
Okay. So how was this year's gate pattern different from previous year examinations?
As far as I know, multiple select questions appeared for the first time. Uh, rest was same, similar to the previous year.
Okay. So would you like to throw some light on GATE 2022 architecture and planning aspirants?
Yes, I would like to say कि, the most important thing while preparing is giving time to the thing, because without time nothing is going to happen, and the only key is hard work. Not hard work, basically it's smart work. Like, I did not make notes because I felt it as hard work. I studied two times the same thing, kind of, because I considered it smart work. And then we must have a faith. Like, if I'm doing hard work, if I'm dedicating 15, 16 hours, whatever I'm doing, I'm sitting for a long time, I'm studying same thing multiple times, then I must have a faith. If I'm doing hard work, there is some power which will surely give me the best that I deserve,
Hmm.
that will not let my hard work go in vain. So that is needed, that faith is needed. In my case, I may be wrong, some people might not agree with me, but and for the preparation, I think preparation syllabus is too big. Syllabus is huge, so we will have to, like in my case, listening to class lectures attentively helped me the most. So I will say future aspirants to go through their class lectures and see the class lectures very, because teachers teach. See, when I was preparing, I found that I have studied some at some point of time. I have studied this in my class, so I recalled that thing, and that was done for me.
Okay. So congratulations once again for securing All India Rank
Thank
2
you so much.
GATE 2021 Architecture and Planning Examination. And thank you for giving us your valuable time, and Find My Test team wishes you all the best.